Assalamu alaikum. How will you send data from a child component to the parent component? To send data from a child component to the parent component, first create two components. One is parent and other is child. Second, import child component in the parent component and return it. Third, create a function and a button to trigger that function. Also create a state using the useState hooks to manage the data. What is the best way to send four or more props to a child component? Using split operator is the best way to send four or more props to a child component. What is Redux and what is the purpose of Redux? Redux is an open source JavaScript library for managing and centralizing application state. It is most commonly used with libraries such as React or Angular for building user interfaces. It was created by Dan Abramoff and Andrew Clark. The purpose of Redux is to manage your app's state in a single place and keep changes in your app more predictable and trackable. It makes it easier to reason about changes occurring in your app, but all of these benefits come with trade-off and constraints. What is React Native? What do you know about React Native? React Native is an open source UI software framework created by Meta Platforms. It is used to develop application for Android and iOS. It is the based it is based on React. It brings all its glory to mobile app development. What are higher order components? Give us an example. A higher order component is a function that takes a component and return a new component. A higher order component is an advanced technique in React for reusing component logic. Hooks are not part of the React API per se. They are a pattern that emerges from React's compositional nature. For example, Redux connect and relays create container.